Good afternoon, everyone, and happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. And before I dive into things, just wanted to throw a quick shout out, happy birthday to Nikki. As many of you may know or may not know, that it is Nikki Groff's birthday today. So shoot her an email, wish her happy birthday, and hope you have a good one. All right, so last week was an important week with the Fed, and they are really controlling the show right now, big time. The two important things that came out of their meeting was first and foremost that they are not moving rates, and then secondly, they made comments actually about monitoring a global economy and different dynamics there as they continue to make their decision of when to move the funds rate. And in just some commentaries that I've read and trying to dissect that a little bit more, that's pretty uncharacteristic of the Fed. And so for them to point towards global economies as to how we're going to change our internal policy here. Things like the situation in China and other things going on there could get a lot worse. And so that obviously might not be the best news for your 401k or your mutual funds, but that's very positive news actually for rates. So as the Fed keeps kicking the can down the road, and as there's arising issues in other economies, that could continue to help our mortgage rates. So I'm of the opinion that we can, we've got another lease on these low rates for maybe even to the end of the year, which is great. I mean, we really are beating all expectations on where economists have forecasted rates should be at this point. Bottom line is we know they're subsidized, guys. You just got to get people off the fence and into rates now because these are going to go away. And once they're gone, they're really going to be gone. They really are going to be gone. And I have to tell you this, as most of you are a little older than me and have seen rates much higher than what we currently have. So can't take it for granted. But yeah, it's good news, at least for now, that that lease, so to speak, is extended on these low rates, and we are seeing them at some of their best levels that we've seen in really the last 4 to 5 months. So let's get after it. Thanks, guys.